Fried egg first or fried rice first? Which one would make the best egg fried rice? Oh no! Hi, how's it going everyone? Welcome to our channel, Chop Chop Recipe. Do you want to know the technique of the best fried rice recipe? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you the answer. We will do two techniques of cooking the egg fried rice. You can decide which technique produce the best egg fried rice. Before we start, please subscribe. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and leave the comment below on which type of technique on egg fried rice that you like the best after watching this video. Both techniques will have the same ingredients: a bowl of rice, 2 eggs, garlic, salt and pepper. Let's start with the technique number 1. Egg fried rice technique number 1 is where everything is mixed together. Rice, egg, salt and pepper except the garlic. Fry the chopped garlic with oil until brown. Throw in your mixed egg rice. Keep stirring on high heat until cooked. This fried rice with egg is done when there are no more wet eggs visible. Everybody is kung fu fighting. Let's flip and flip higher like a lightning. Yay! Our egg fried rice technique number 1 is ready. Now we are going to do technique number 2. Fried egg first. Heat up the oil and fry the garlic. Mix the eggs with salt and pepper. Throw in the eggs. Then quickly throw in your rice. Keep stirring on high heat. Time to flip again. If you do not know how to flip, then just stir and stir with your spatula. Yeah, I like to flip it. I like to flip it. I like to move it. Technique egg fried rice number 2 is ready to serve. So guys, which one do you think is the best? This one or that one? Number 1 or number 2? Leave your comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like this fried rice video, you might also want to watch our mango fried rice story video.